On behalf of Internet Room and CMG Central M Group, I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I believe that with enough prayer, we're going to have our government and America back on track very soon. Uh, it's unfortunate that we're all going through this together, but in the end, I think there'll be some terrific changes if even if uh, a restructuring of party affiliations, because I believe the parties have disrupted what they believe in. So both parties, uh, we're all guilty because we can't really get along with each other. We think one of them's right and one of them's wrong. Obviously, yes, there are some things that have happened that are extremely wrong, and I believe that they will come to fruition. They will rise to the top, and so to speak. And I believe that we should all try to recoup after this swamp and smoke clears, and it will clear. Um, if you believe God's in control, what do you care? So we have to really consider everything that's happening, and I pray that we all get it all straightened out. And I believe 2020 will be a fantastic year for us. When you do go vote, you have to vote your conscience. Whatever a man believes, that's what, as my father used to say, he said, when you're trying to convince a person that they are wrong about what they think and feel, that's the beginning of a second argument. And it's true. So just want to say, God bless, and let all true Americans hang in there, because true Americans will prevail. Good day, and God bless.